Good day guys, being here. Today I'm going to show you this very interesting project. It's like I think it's like a greenhouse with all the what do I call this? Dome window or okay. So let's do it. Okay, so first let's create a project and you can use grid or use reference plan, so it's all up to you. So I'm just going to use a reference plan for this one. Okay, so first draw a reference plan here, RP, and then I guess it's probably 12-meter wide. Okay, so and you can add a dimension here. So let draw another RP reference plan this direction, and I guess it's 6-meter wide. Okay, so and create a dimension here as well. So now I'm going to draw a wall, almost draw a full wall, WA, and I'm just going to use a steel stud wall. Okay, so and also I'll use wall center line or align the wall to the reference plans. So select rectangle, click here, and then lock. So this way, if I move, if if I change the width, the wall will change, will follow the reference plane. Okay, so I'll change this back. Okay, so let's go to 3D view and these four wall, select all of them. I'll change the level top constraint to level 1, and then I'll add a roof to it. So roof and level 1, yes, and pick wall tab, and also click on this one so it will go to the exterior face of the wall, and also select these two line and uncheck define slope and finish it. So 400, I think it's too thick for this one. Maybe I'll just use 125, and also select all these full wall, attach top, roof, and I think that's it. That's the building. So now the next step, we're going to model these windows. Okay, so and also because if you look here, because they are placed on, they need to be placed onto the roof as well. We can't just model a window, normally a wall-based window. So we need to create a face-based. Okay, so family. So let's do it. So new family, and we can start from a generic model face-based, and then later we can make it a window family. Okay, so now this is a face-based family. So see, this is a face, and first draw some reference plane. Okay, RP, oops, RP. So DI, dimension and equal, dimension and equal, and also dimension here and dimension here. So because it's a circle, it's dome circle, so it will be same. Okay, so I'll just select these two dimensions and create a parameter. So I think this will be the D, the diameter of those domes. So D and OK. And if let's go to front view. So now draw another reference plane, DI, and this. So imagine this is a dome. So this will be the radius. Okay, so create a new parameter. I'll call it radius, and OK. And then go to family types. So radius equals D divided by 2. So OK. So now we can create that the dome shape. So go create. So this time we're going to use revolve. Okay, revolve. So click revolve, and first I'm going to draw the axis line. So I'll draw a line here. Okay, and then next boundary line. So boundary line, we will need a quarter arc. Okay, so we'll use this center and arc. Click on here, the center here first, and then click on this here, and then here. So see these two, so we can lock it now. So lock. Okay, and then to help us to find the constraint, so we can just VV and check this automatic sketch dimensions and OK. So now you will see all these temporary dimension. So these three are fine because this I just need to this axis line to be vertical, and I don't need to constrain it at all. So but this one, so this one's from this arc, so we need to actually 80% of the time will be fine, but sometimes when you not constrain them properly, they might you might have some issue. So here I'm going to lock this one. So select this arc and check this center mark visible, and now you will see this is the center of this arc. So we just need to AL and click on this reference plane, and then click on this center mark and lock. So you will see it disappeared. And of course, we can't just have one line. We need to create a closed loop. So and also we need to define the thickness of the glass. Okay, so now I'll just use offset OF. You can type OF, or you can just use here. So OF, and I'll type in 10. So let's say maybe 10 mil glass, and then I'll just click on here. So yeah, it's a little bit I'll just turn on the TL. You can use this one, thin line, so you'll see all become a thin line. And then see these temporary dimensions, we just need to get rid of them. So select this new arc, the internal arc. So you will see this 1, 2, and 3. Oh, sorry, we just need to align them. So select this internal one. So it's already checked. That's good. So AL, click on this reference plane, and click on this center mark, lock. Once again, I'll just use the level. Okay, so that should be fine, and lock. And also this 10, we can't just lock it here. So what we're going to do is we'll select this arc, create a radius dimension, and then from this radius dimension, we're going to create a second radius, another radius parameter. So I'll call it R2 for this. So this R2 will be R, the first one, minus the thickness of the glass. Okay, so now I'm going to create this, go to family type, create the glass thickness. And okay, so now we can, I'll just type in 10, and then on the R2 on the formula, and then we can use R minus glass thickness. So apply. Okay, so all good. So now we just need to close this. So align. So here to here, and just let's lock it. Okay, so here to here and lock it. Oops. Let me cancel it. Yep, so looks like it's okay. Yep. So finish it. So now let's go to 3D view. So that's it. Change it to shade SD, and also select this dome. And if you want to create a material parameter, you can just click this and create a material parameter, but I'm just going to use glass. Okay, so now that's it. And then we are going to also create a little frame. Okay, so I'm not going to do all this, but instead I'll just do a very simple frame extrusion. So let's go to floor plan, and so this time I'm just going to use a create extrusion. Okay, so extrusion, and let me check the work plan set. So it's on level, which is on the base. That's okay. And then I'll just create a circle from center and roughly here, and create a radius. So now what I'm going to do is VV. I'll check this sketch dimension as well. So now you will see this 0. So I'm going to lock it. And once again, if you don't lock it, 80 or 90% of the time it's fine, but sometimes it won't. It will be there will be some issue. So I'll just check this center mark, and also I'll just turn off this thin line TL, so it's easier for you to see the line. So AL align reference plane, and pick this center mark, lock. Reference plane, center mark, lock. So now the frame, I think the frame, I'll just start it from R2. Okay, so I'll start from R2. Okay, so I'll just select this dimension and go here and R2. So, and then I also decide the width of this frame. So I'll just create a circle first. So another circle. So this was the external edge of the frame. And once again, select this circle, check this center mark, AL, reference plane, lock, reference plane, and lock. So this time there will be another one. So this one looks like it won't allow me to make it permanent, but I'll just DI dimension and do it myself. Sorry, this one. And okay, so now I'll create another reference parameter. This time will be R3, and also I know that R3 will be R2 plus the thickness of the frame. So go to family types. So first create the I'll create frame thickness, and okay, and then R3 equals R2 plus, oh sorry, before that I'll just you need to type in a number, not 0. Okay, so R3 and R2 plus frame thickness. Oh sorry, it should be width, not thickness. Okay, apply, and then I'll change the name of this to width. Okay, so okay, and let's go to 3D view. So because the thickness here, so we can use this one as thickness. So let's create a new parameter. This time I'll call it frame thickness. So okay, and let's go to family types. So I think this is too thick, so I'll change it to 10, and I think maybe I'll make this a little bit wider, maybe 50. So apply, frame width 50. Does that work? 80. Oh yeah, it does work. Okay, so maybe 50. Apply. Okay, so now and also you can give it a material or material parameter. Okay, so I'll leave it. So this is, oh sorry, we don't have an opening there, so let's do an opening. So go to floor plan and create and void extrusion, and check the work plan. So level good. So then we can just create a circle, draw a circle from center, roughly, of course, here, and then let me just lock it to reference plane. Okay, so now we need to also do a dimension radius, and the internal radius will be R2, so just link this to R2. And let's go to 3D view, finish this void. Let's have a look where it goes up. Yep, so it goes up. So what we need is we just need to drag this down, or you can type in here somehow. Okay, so and then that's it. Then we just need to cut the base, the void. So a window, a face-based dome window with a void. Okay, so now that's it. Load this into the project. So let's go to elevation. So for example, south. So I'll place this component. So because it's a generic model, so if you want to, you can edit family and change the. You can go to family category and parameters and change it from generic model to window. Okay, so and okay. And also, it's always good if you change the subcategory for each element. So, for example, this you can change it to glass. You can this part you can change it to frame maybe. Yeah, because this will in the project they will have different line weight. Okay, so load this back into the project. So now let's place some window. Okay, so let's go to, I'll just change this to shade SD, maybe a hidden one, too ugly. So I'll just copy one, maybe 1200, and I'll check, hang on, let me check this radius. What's the radius? That's probably too big. Maybe I'll change it to 900. Apply. Okay, and then I'll just move it roughly in the center. We can dimension it and equal it. Okay, so and delete. I'll constrain it, and then we can copy this. So 1200, another 1200. Yep, all good. So then we can just align, oh sorry, not align, array, and maybe 9 or 10. And let's go to 3D view. That's it. And of course, those so tab, select one of the select one of this window, CS, and place on face, place on this roof. So you think you will be able to align, or maybe we need to go to side plan so you will see the roof. And let's tab, select this window, CS, place on face, and see, you can align the window on the wall. And I'll roughly place it here, and I'll CC copy 1200, another another CC 1200. So let's go have a look in 3D view. Maybe we need to move them down a little bit. Okay, so maybe I'll make them closer. Okay, so I think that's it. And then you can simply edit group, add one, oops, not the roof, add 1, 2, 3, finish, done. Looks like they are not cutting the wall. Maybe let's Control Z. Let's cancel this. Let's just do another array. AR 1200, 10. That's it. Okay. So yeah, I think that's it. We're not we're not going to do any structure internal, but all the windows that's it's actually quite nice. It must be, especially in the night, beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.